y'all, I'm Alex if this is your first time here, and today we will be discussing my new series called What is My Design Style? Okay, so in this new series, I basically wanted to give you guys some information about different design style characteristics. I have a lot of new homeowners, renters, a lot of people going out, adulting in the world, because a lot of people that have just graduated. So I wanted to help you guys out when it comes to finding your design style. So your home is supposed to be a representation of you, okay? So I'm going to help you guys find out what is that representation of you, because I feel like a lot of us, we go and we learn a little bit about some styles, we see them on Instagram and we're like, oh my god, that's so cute, or oh my god, like that's so cool, and I'm just like, okay, it's cute and it's cool, but is that something that you would put in your home? Is it? Okay, exactly. So so I'm going to help you guys figure out what are you going to do with your house? What are you going to do with your apartment? What are you going to do with your kitchen? What are you going to do? You know what I'm saying? So that is what this series will be about, okay? And before we get into what styles I will be letting y'all know, comment down below what you actually think your design style is, because a lot of us, we think it's one thing, because like I said, we think it's cute, okay? But after this series, I'm letting you know right now, your style is going to change. There's so many different styles that I will be introducing to you guys that you probably didn't even know was a real thing, or you probably didn't even know existed. So yeah, you guys just comment down below and thumbs up this video if you're ready for this series, okay? So like I was saying, some of the aspects of this series are going to be me introducing new styles to you and me comparing new styles or different styles for y'all, okay? Because there are some different styles that are kind of, I would call them more so in between styles. So basically they're a mixture of 2 or 3 different styles, and they make up one new style, okay? And with design, you don't have to go with you don't even have to go with that mixture of that new style. You don't have to go with one style. You could do two different styles. You could do 3 styles, but that's up to you. Whatever best represents you in your home. Hopefully it turns out cute, okay? Because I'm going to be asking for pictures, okay? And I'll be reposting them on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be like, look at what I taught my followers how to do. Look. Exactly. So basically I'm doing this series, like I said, to help you guys find what your style is, okay? Hence the words, what is my design style? Okay? So this is the list of the styles that I will be discussing in this series, okay? This series is going to start on Thursday, okay? We will be kicking off this series with Scandinavian and boho. Those are the 2 first styles, okay? Okay, so get into it, get excited, get ready, because y'all, I'm gonna have y'all doing a lot of, well, when Marshall's opens back up. Yikes. I'm going to have y'all doing a lot of DIYs, coming up with a lot of ideas. I'm always open to helping you guys out. You can always DM me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever social media you have me on. Even in the comments. You guys can even ask questions in the comments, and I will be sure to help you guys out, because that is what I'm here for, okay? I will be doing a giveaway at 300 subscribers. I don't know if y'all think I'm playing with y'all or what, but if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Like, what? Because my giveaway, it will be a gift card to Marshall's, Home Goods, Home Depot, or Lowe's. Those are the only, or if I think of another one, it's going to be one of those. Just so you guys can kickstart your home DIY projects or get some new home decor. So it's going to be a gift card to one of those stores, okay? And if you're not subscribed, you cannot win the giveaway. So please, guys, like, subscribe. I'm trying to do something nice for y'all, and y'all act like y'all don't want a nice house. Like, come on. So yeah, you guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video so other people will know to subscribe to my channel, to enter the giveaway. Like, if you have a friend that's moving, or you have a new friend, or if you have a friend that just bought a home, yeah, tell them to come on my channel and like, because I will be helping them out as well with them finding a new style, and they'll have a chance to win some new stuff for their house. Okay, so I will catch y'all this Thursday in my next video, and always remember, the design is in the details. I'll see y'all later.